Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. Nigerian Idol is back.
Ooh, yeah.
This is what we want to see. Flawless.
I love your performance.
We're adding some fresh vibes to the mix with new judges. And who else could command the incredible ensemble than yours truly?
I'm here just because I think I look good.
Okay.
I think I'll do good on the show. I can't sing.
That's right,
but
I'm back to guide you through the highs and lows of the most exciting season yet. So buckle up. Catch the premiere of Nigerian Idol Season 9, starting 21st of April, 7 p.m. West African time. Nigerian Idol, exclusive to DSTV and GoTV.
Nigerian Idol is proudly sponsored by Techno, Stop at Nothing, and Biggie for every moment.